can tell me what animal this is? A dog! Exactly! It's a dog. 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 Alright, time to get out your workbooks and grab a pencil, because I have a fantastic exercise waiting for you. Today we are connecting the pictures on the left side of your workbook with the matching words on the right side. First, let's find our furry friend the dog. Where is the dog? Can you find the dog? There it is! Well done. Now let's find the word dog on the right side. Dog is spelled D-O-G. Where could it be? D-O-G. Can you see it? Yes, brilliant. Here it is. Now let's connect it to its picture on the left. Let's draw a line all the way down to the dog. How about this one? What animal is it? Well done! It's a panda. Panda, panda, panda. Now let's search for the gentle panda. Where might the panda be hiding? Ah, there it is! Great work! Next, find the word panda on the right side. Panda is spelled P-A-N-D-A. Can you spot it? Wonderful! Here it is. Now, let's connect it to its picture on the left. Draw a line from the panda picture to the matching word. You're doing fantastic! Well done! Who knows what animal this is? Who knows what animal this is? Yes! It's a polar bear. Polar bear. Polar bear. Polar bear. Now it's time to locate the mighty polar bear. Can you find it among the pictures? Yes, there it is. Well done. Now let's find the word polar bear on the right side. Polar bear is spelled P-O-L-A-R-B-E-A-R. Where could it be? Terrific! Here it is. Now, connect it to its picture on the left by drawing a line. Well done! What about this one? You got it! It's a sea lion. Sea lion. Sea lion. Sea lion. Let's embark on a quest to find our playful sea lion. Where is that sea lion hiding? Ah, there it is. Good job. Now let's locate the word sea lion on the right side. Sea lion is spelled S-E-A-L-I-O-N. Can you see it? Excellent! Here it is. Now connect it to its picture on the left with a line. You're doing wonderfully. Great job. Who can tell me what animal this is? Fantastic! It is indeed an owl. You're all doing amazing. Owl, owl, owl. Now it's time to search for the wise owl. Can you find the owl among the pictures? Yes, there it is. Well spotted. Now, let's find the word owl on the right side. Owl is spelled O-W-L. Where is it? Great job! Here it is. Now, connect it to its picture on the left by drawing a line. Great job, everybody! It's so much fun learning animal names. Let's add even more animals to our adventure. Who can tell me what animal this is? It's an octopus! Yes, octopus, octopus, octopus. Let's dive deep into the ocean to find the clever octopus. Where is that mysterious octopus hiding? Ah, there it is. Good job. Now, let's locate the word octopus on the right side. Octopus is spelled O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Can you see it? Excellent! Here it is. Now, connect it to its picture on the left with a line. You're doing wonderfully. How about this one? What animal is it? Exactly! It's an elephant. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Now, let's journey to find the magnificent elephant. Can you spot the elephant among the pictures? Yes, there it is. Well spotted. Now, find the word elephant on the right side. Elephant is spelled E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Where is it? Great job! Here it is. Now, connect it to its picture on the left by drawing a line. Well done! And who knows this animal? It's a crocodile! Excellent! Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile. Now let's embark on an adventure to find the crocodile. Can you spot the crocodile among the pictures? Yes, there it is. Great work. Now let's find the word crocodile on the right. Crocodile is spelled C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Where could it be? Terrific! Here it is. Now connect it to its picture on the left by drawing a line. Well done! And what about this one? What animal is it? Great! It's a monkey! 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 Time to swing into action and locate the playful monkey. Where's that cheeky monkey hiding? Ah, there it is. Well done. Now let's find the word monkey on the right side. Monkey is spelled M-O-N-K-E-Y. Can you see it? Wonderful. Here it is. Now Connect it to its picture on the left side with a line. You're doing brilliantly. Ask your grown-up to subscribe to catch the next lesson where we will learn all about baby animals.